Okay, so I ordered this white inset cabinet ready to assemble from online RTA, and this is the package it was delivered in. It took about a week to get it, maybe not even a week, 5 days. Had a fragile sticker on one side, and we're gonna look at the other side. It had some packing information and some codes on it for tracking. It's pretty heavily wrapped in plastic and foam. I assume that's to protect it in case it gets some elements on it. So here we go. We're gonna open it and see what it entails. So I'm gonna try and aim this at the package, and to open it, I'm gonna use a knife and some scissors. So I'm gonna cut it across the top. There's several layers of foam, and there's plastic around too, which would protect from most rain and wetness, as long as it's not like saturated. And right on the box, it says what it is. In this case, it's a kitchen and bath Snow White wall cabinet door, base cabinet door, and then the details of it. It is supposed to be an inset cabinet. So we are going to continue with the unboxing. So I'm going to continue to cut away this as much as I can. You can see that there is some damage to the box. It's bunched up on this end, bunched up on that end. Let's see if that impacts it at all. Go ahead and cut away all of this. And you can see it's strapped as well on either side. So just going to cut those off. And usually what I like to do is open the end of this box. Is kind of it opens flat, so what we're going to open it flat. So I'm laying it flat. Now I'm just going to take this off. Okay. And here you have the box. Let's see what we have. It's pretty nicely packed in there tight. Yeah, I'm told that all of this comes from China on that boat. So, and it was shipped from California. So right here we have a piece. It looks like this is the back of the cabinet. It's thinner here, and then it has this frame around the outside with a little bit of a edge on it. And this is going to be the inside of the cabinet because you can see where the base goes in there. So that's the first piece. I'm going to put this aside. So we have the back there. Then we have some more foam that can be removed. And the next piece here is the cabinet face front. And I can tell just looking at it that this is in fact an inset cabinet. It means this is going to be flush. And I feel a little bit of water in here, so at some point water has gotten into this package in the shipping. It's not terrible, but it is wet. This is the drawer front, and this is the cabinet face front. And it's not put in there very, just set in there, packed in there. So I want to be careful not to tilt this forward because these will fall out and probably get damaged. So I'm going to set the face front over here. Just like that. And the next piece is, and what I can tell here, this is probably the drawer base. It's thinner, it's got a finish on it. It is plywood. Both sides are finished, so I'm not sure that matters. Which side is the top or the bottom? This is probably the drawer hardware here. So I'm gonna cut that open just to check and see what's in there. And these are the drawer slides. There should be two, because in this case there's two drawers. There may be some other hinges and whatnot for the door as well. Just so I don't lose that, I'm not going to open this yet. And these pieces here, the drawer sides. And I had a theory these were Maplevilles, is the manufacturer. It's China, there's a few suppliers of Maplevilles, and that's exactly correct. So you can get these actually from the same cabinet from several different suppliers. And they're the same product. These are the drawer sides here. And let's see. This is probably going to be your kick plate right here. It's a little bit thicker plywood. It looks like it's 1/2 inch. That's going to be your, most likely your back to the drawer. See the front or the back to the drawer, and then this is your kick plate for the bottom of the cabinet. Quite a bit more foam in here. So I'm just going to move that out of the way. There's a separate box in here for hardware. That's probably your hinges, all of the things to put the cabinet together. In fact, it's not sealed, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. So I see there's hinges in here. There's some assembly screws. And other parts in here. So I'm going to set that aside for right now. We got, let's see, another panel. This is going to be probably a base piece or a top piece for the cabinet. There's two of these. And they are about a 1/2 inch thick. There's another one. This looks like maybe a shelf because it's finished all the way around, so that's probably going to be your interior shelf. just have little holes for shelves, so these are going to be the side panels of it. These are side panels. There's 2 of them. It's got a 1/2 inch cut here in the side for the base of the cabinet to sit on there. It's got a rail here for the back of the cabinet to slide in there. And there's 2 of these, a left and a right side. And it's easy to tell because it's got that cutout right there on the bottom. Side, same, just a mirror image of the other, and this has the little turn pieces that lock it together when you assemble. I've had ready to assemble cabinets that were just glue and bolt together. This one is has a little bit more level. So these are all the parts, and there's the box over here of the pieces, and this one right here has the drawer glides for the top drawer. You can see I made a couple face frames myself just to try it out, and these are factory made, so they look much better. But that's basically what the finished face front will look like once everything is done. So there you have it. That's the unboxing. There's not really that much in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like 13 pieces, including the boxes. 14 pieces total. There's no assembly directions here, but it came with it. I don't see any assembly directions, but there's probably something online I'm going to search for. But it's pretty basic stuff. You can use looks like a screwdriver, and yeah, it looks like a Phillips screwdriver. You'll need a larger Phillips screwdriver and a regular Phillips screwdriver, maybe a power drill driver to put some of the screws in, and possibly some wood glue. This one might not need any wood glue because of the way it's assembled. But there you have it. That's the unboxing. The box is empty. Got some trash. That'll all be thrown out when I finish assembling. If you like this video, click subscribe to my channel, where I'll have more of these types of videos. And hopefully my next video will be how to assemble this inset cabinet. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.